In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to install indicators to cTrader. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to cTrader.com. From here, you'll need to go up and log into your account, and once you've done that, it should bring something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go over to where it says cTrader store, and then from here you'll need to click on indicators. Once you're inside of here, you'll need to find a specific indicator that you want to install, and from here, once you've found it, you'll simply need to click on it, and then from here, you'll need to click install. Once you've done that, you'll see here product install to your cTrader account, and you can use it on cTrader Windows or Mac and make sure the synchronization is available, blah blah blah. From here, you'll simply need to click get cTrader, and then from here, you'll need to download it and launch cTrader. And then from here, once you do that, you'll simply need to log into your cTrader account, and then from here, you'll find your indicator and just place it over to your chart. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!